Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz March 13 in XENEA Wallet. Click on missions, click on daily quiz. Now click start quiz. Here you see March 13 a question and total two options, in which one option is the correct option and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 1, circulating supply market price, is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option. Now click on continue. Now here you see I got 1000 extra gems for a successful completing straight 7 days correct answers. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.